Okay, this is my M20B25. Just jump started it. Stone cold. This is the noise I'm getting. I've listened to all the valves. They all sound about the same. Fairly quiet. I'm gonna step around. I don't know what that noise could be, but it sounds like it's coming from a piston, like, I don't know. Alright. Gonna shut it off now.